Introduction to Java. Java is a widely used object-oriented programming language, originally developed by Sun Microsystems in the mid-1990s. It is known for its robustness, platform independence, and ability to handle large-scale projects. Java is often used for developing desktop and mobile applications, web applications, and server-side applications. One of the key features of Java is its platform independence, meaning that Java programs can run on any platform that has a Java Virtual Machine (JVM) installed. This makes it easy to distribute and run Java programs on a variety of devices, from smartphones to supercomputers. Java is also an object-oriented language, meaning that it supports concepts like classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism. These concepts allow developers to write code that is organized, modular, and reusable. Java is heavily used in the development of web applications. It has a large number of frameworks and libraries that allow developers to quickly build web applications that are scalable and secure. Some popular frameworks for web development in Java include Spring, Hibernate, and Struts. Java also has a rich set of libraries and tools for creating desktop applications. The Swing library, for example, provides a set of components that can be used to create graphical user interfaces, GUIs. Additionally, Java can be used to create mobile applications for Android devices. Java is often used for server-side programming as well. Many large-scale applications, such as online banking systems and e-commerce sites, are built using Java. Java's ability to handle large-scale projects and its platform independence make it an ideal choice for server-side programming. In conclusion, Java is a powerful programming language that is widely used for developing desktop and mobile applications, web applications, and server-side applications. Its platform independence, object-oriented design, and rich set of libraries and tools make it a popular choice among developers.